What's up, world? You already know who it is. I'm back today. I got this nice box in front of me, man. Shout out to Suavecito Pomade for keeping me laced with great products and great gear. Make sure you check out the website, Suavecito.com, and check them out on Instagram at Suavecito Pomade. Alright, man, I'm gonna cut this box open and see what we got today. I don't even know what it is, man. Let's see what we got. Got some dope stickers. The cologne's out. Make sure you check that, Suavecito.com. Okay, so it looks like it's all gear, man. Let's see what they sent me. Nice leather belt. Brown. Needed that. T-shirt. Suavecito, that's the California black license plate. Gotta rip this up, man. I gotta rip this open. Dope sweatshirt. I might as well open this now too, right? What else is this? What's this? It's nice and big too, man. It's good quality stuff. What's this? The hoodie? Got the Suavecito hoodie in black. See the hood? Flip it around. Okay, it's gonna be a great one. Special thank you again to Suavecito, man. Suavecito Pomade. Make sure you get yours now. Instagram, Suavecito Pomade. Website, Suavecito.com. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I got more unboxing videos coming. More dope items coming on the website. Make sure you hit tthebarber.com. If you're in the Bay Area, book an appointment with your boy, tthebarber.com. Instagram, TEE_thebarber.com. That's it for now. I got clients waiting on me. I gotta slide, man. I'm out.